Okay, so this morning we're at Spring Creek Park in Tomball, Texas. This is off of Highway 249 and Brown Road. It's about a mile west of 249. And what I'm going to show you today is a explosion site from a gunpowder mill that exploded back in the Civil War and killed several people. And this is another supposedly haunted spot in Texas. Now it's cold out here right now. It's probably 41 degrees, but rumor has it that if you come out here on a hot summer day and just hang around this memorial that I'm going to show you here in a minute, you'll feel cold spots. So it's a little bit muddy. We're going to try to dodge this mud as much as we can. This is actually a pretty cool park. They got a skateboard park here. They've got an archery range for those of you that like to do archery. Spring Creek, this is the very north end of the park, by the way. You got, when you come in off the road, you take a right and go as far north as you can, past the basketball courts and the playgrounds, and then Spring Creek runs directly behind this site of where this happened. There's a placard back here that explains what happened. They've got a disc golf course. This is the disc golf course here. You can have birthday parties out here. There's a pavilion you can rent, all that good stuff. Lots of time people come back here and fish in this little creek. We'll walk over to this creek first and I'll show you. And we'll head over to the memorial site back here. Check it out. Creek's up flowing, very nice. We got like I said, about 3 to 4 inches of rain the other day. I guess it was on Tuesday. So we've got lots of water flowing. So we'll cruise on back here and I'll show you this site real quick. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see this sign up here that says Memorial Trail. That's where you want to go. Man, there's some kind of wet back here. I bet there's lots of wild hogs in there. That must be why that fence is up. Keep the wild pigs out of here. Anyway, it's just a short walk back here, so I picked the wrong day to do this, man. Wore the wrong shoes anyway. So anyway, this is where it was. It was a cannon powder for the Confederate Army. Was made here until 1863, when the mill was destroyed by an explosion, killing William Blocher, Adolf Hilgeist, and Peter Wunderlich. They were all employees of the mill. The site was donated by Mrs. E.B. Hilgeist and her son Earl and Roy. Erected by the Harris County Historical Survey Committee, Spring Creek County Historical Association, and the descendants of those killed in the explosion. It was erected in 1966. So, pretty cool piece of history. It's a short video, but I like sharing stuff like this, so hope you enjoy it. Let's Let's walk back here and take another little peek at this creek. Lots of sand back here. Very sandy bottom. A wild hog's paradise. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. If you got any questions or comments, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe bell. Thanks.